In the quiet of days, we've been away. A month's silence, we must allay. But here we are, with gratitude anew. To all our subscribers, thank you, thank you. Through the hush of time, let's now embark to a tale of wisdom, in our hearts to mark. In a cozy village, 3 friends lived with glee. Sam, Alex, and Mia, as happy as can be. On rainy days, Sam loved to splash puddles and water, a joyful dash. But Alex felt different, a dislike for the rain. Staying dry was their preference, a choice to explain. Mia, the wise one, shared a lesson so kind. The platinum rule's magic, in her words, we find.
Respect others' wishes, their feelings and fun. Let kindness guide us, in rain or in sun. Sam's puddle jumping brings joy to their heart, while Alex prefers dryness. We each play our part.
One rainy day, they faced puddles anew. Sam leaped in with glee, wetness on view. Alex stood back, a smile they wore, respecting each other, their bond grew more. Mia's wisdom resonated, a gem to unfold. Platinum rules teaching, more valuable than gold. With unity and kindness, friendship did rise, embracing differences, like stars in the skies. And so, dear friends, the platinum rule goes: treat others with kindness, and love always shows. It means treating them how they want to be treated. With care and respect, our friendships completed. Remember, my friends, it's simple and true. To be a good friend, it's what we all do. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's story, please leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications.